This is by far the easiest digital side hustle that you can start in 2026. And yes, it's even perfect for a 57-year-old brain like mine. Now, I want to show you something first before we get started in this video. This here is the revenue that I made since January 1st to right now, which is March in 2026. Over $123,000 in 80 days from my phone. And I'm not saying that to impress you, but to impress upon you that what I'm going to teach you in this video absolutely works. There is no product creation, no chasing people, and no tech overwhelm. And I'm going to walk you through the exact strategy that made this possible, even after I tried so many things that were wrong at first. So stick around, my friend, because this one could generally change your life. Hey, if we have not met yet, my name is Wendy. I am a 57-year-old grandma of 3 from a little town in Ontario, Canada. I retired at 55 after building a multiple 6-figure online income. Starting from zero, I had zero tech skills, zero marketing experience, and no followers, like Zippo. Just a couple of years ago, I was still working full-time, behind on our retirement savings, and honestly feeling completely stuck. I had tried a bunch of things online and failed more times than I care to admit, lost money on my journey, but then I found a system that actually worked for me. And since then, I have made well over the 7 figures online. Like, I still can't even believe it. Now, I'm not a tech genius, no. Like, I am not some marketing guru. I'm just a grandma who figured it out. And now I help other midlifers to do the same. So if you have ever thought that I don't even know where to start, I am not good with technology, I have honestly tried things before, Wendy, and they just did not work out, you are exactly who I made this video for, my friend, because that was me. So before we dive into this, I want you to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It is in the description below. It's completely free. It is the exact roadmap that I personally use to get unstuck and to actually go on to retire myself at 55. So go grab that and let's get into it. Now, the first question that we need to answer is, do you need something to sell? Yes, plain and simple, you do. Here's the truth. If you want to make money online, you need to be selling something, no matter what. If income is your goal, a product or service has to be exchanged. That is it. That is just how money works on and offline. So now most people get stuck right there and they freeze and they don't know what to sell. Like, should I sign up for Amazon, sell t-shirts, promote a course? So let me save you some time and some money by walking you through the 3 things that I personally tried before I found what actually worked. Okay, so thing 1, Amazon influencer. I tried promoting products through Amazon as an influencer. And here's the truth, the commissions are tiny. Like, we're talking cents on the dollar. You need to sell hundreds and sometimes thousands of items to make anything close to real income. It is doable and you can make money with it, but it is slow and honestly exhausting. Then I tried print on demand. T-shirts, sweatshirts with cute sayings, and I loved it. I had so much fun. I didn't have any inventory, there was no shipping, and it sounded really perfect. Well, not quite. Like, profit margins were about $5 to $6 per item. And by the time I factored in my time and the occasional return, I was actually paying more for my Shopify account than I was making. So that did not work. That is totally upside down. So then I tried affiliate marketing, and this one is actually very, very smart. And I still use it today, and I teach people how to use affiliate marketing in their business. You promote somebody else's product. When somebody buys through your link, you earn commission, anywhere from 25% to 50%. And I have multiple different affiliate marketing income streams. Here's one right here, and that's just last month's affiliate income. Plus there's many, many more that I have. But here's what I learned about affiliate marketing. It's an amazing bonus income stream. It's not great as the main one because you don't control the price. You do not keep the full profit. The margins are still smaller than they could be. So then I thought, what if I just created my own digital product? And I thought, yay, like, that is a great idea. But here's the thing. The moment that idea popped into my head, so did 100 of other questions. Like, what do I even create? Is this something that people actually want? I didn't want it to be like with the t-shirts I did all the time creating, but nobody wanted them. And how do I get it in front of the right audience? And how do I even sell it consistently once it's been done? It is not that you can't create your own product. You absolutely can. And I do teach people how to do that now that I know. But if you do not understand demand and how to get traffic or how to get people to see it, then you end up with a great idea sitting on a hard drive collecting digital dust. Creating before you understand how to sell is like setting up a lemonade stand at the end of a dead-end road. You might have the best lemonade on the block, but nobody knows it's there. So what do I recommend instead? It starts with research. I know, research, blah. You have to start with research. And that's good news for you because you can do that absolutely for free. Before you create anything, find out what people are already searching for, what problems they are trying to solve, what is in demand right now. Once you know that, you can offer a product or a course that directly solves a problem. And that is how you create something that people actually want and are willing to pay for. And here is what shifted everything for me. When I stopped questioning and started focusing on what people were already searching for, everything changed. And in 2026, the demand has never been higher. Forbes projects the digital marketing space to grow to over $3 billion a day. People are searching every day for things like how to make money online, how to work from home after 50, how to create passive income, and how to retire early without a huge savings account. Go to Google Trends right now and search "make money online." It is one of the most consistently searched topics on the entire internet, and it is still growing. That is why I promote digital education programs, because people are already out there searching for this exact solution. I just put it in front of them. But I don't want to be a salesperson. I hear this one all the time, and I completely get it. I did not want to bug my friends and family. I did not want to message strangers. And I definitely did not want to be that person who calls you up and says, hey, friend, we have not talked since high school. Let's grab a coffee. And then 5 minutes into it, drop the bomb about their life-changing opportunity. Can you say MLM? Hard pass. Here's the truth. You do not have to be salesy to make sales online. People today do not want to be pressured. They want information on their own timeline. That is where automated systems come in. When I learned this, woo, it completely changed everything. Like, they do all the explaining, they guide people through the process, they answer the questions, and they show the value and give people the space to make the best decision for themselves. No cold calling, no awkward follow-ups, just a clean, professional system running in the background. I call it my freedom machine because while it's doing all the heavy lifting, I get to live my life. In fact, I was at a water park with my grandkids and my family escaping the cold Canadian winters this past February. And we were splashing around. I was living my best grandma life and boom, sales came in on my phone. Like, just check it out right here. That is not luck, my friend. That is automation. And this is my freedom machine at work. And it happens every single day. It's working in the background for me. Here is something most people don't realize. Most people don't buy the first time that they see something. They need time, they need to trust, and they need follow-up. And honestly, that is smart, especially in this day and age. And this is where email automation comes in, right? It keeps working after you hit that publish button. It does the heavy lifting so you do not have to. The platform that I use and love for this is called System.io. It's completely free for up to 2,000 email subscribers. Not a trial, it's a full plan. It handles all your funnels, your email sequences, websites, and payments in one place. I made 6 figures before I ever needed to upgrade to the paid version. So you can grab your free System.io account in the description below if you want to check it out. But here is what really changed the game for me. When I found a completely done-for-you digital program. It had the website built, the capture page ready, the email sequences already written. The whole system was set up and proven to convert. I was not building from scratch. I was stepping into something that already worked. It had a complete educational platform, so I learned the skills of digital marketing that I did not know before. If I had learned that before, I probably would have sold a whole lot more of those print-on-demand t-shirts. I would have had a lot more luck with my Amazon influencer products, and I probably would have made a whole lot more affiliate commissions if I would have learned the skills of digital marketing. Now I want to show you something again. That over $123,000 in just 80 days. While I was spending time with my grandkids, while I was in Costa Rica, living my life and having a holiday. This is what is possible when you stop guessing and you start following a system that already works. So let me tell you about the shortcut. When I started, I did not have a product idea. I did not know how to build a funnel. I definitely did not have time to spend months figuring it out. I was working, I had grandkids, I needed something that worked faster. And that is when I discovered something called Master Resell Rights, MRR for short. Here is what makes it so powerful. You purchase a digital education program that comes with Master Resell Rights. That means you get access to all the training inside of it, and you get licensed to resell that exact education yourself and keep 100% of the profit. Now that really blew my mind. Like when I first saw it, it's education and a business all in one. So instead of spending months creating your own product from scratch, you are learning the skills you need and able to earn from day one. I saw a college course in the US. It was advertising, look at here, 10-week marketing course for just under $2,500. You get a certificate when you're done, and that is it. There's no system, no business, no income, and no ongoing support. Now let's compare that to this digital program that I joined. It was e-learning, and it was about a third of the price. I could resell the exact course for 100% profit once I completed it. And it continues to give me ongoing support, live tech calls, live mentorship, and coaching continuing on all the time. It continually updates as the big online world changes, and we all know that happens as soon as you blink your eyes. So it keeps you up to date. My return on investment came after my very first sale. Everything after that was pure profit. Here is exactly what the program gave me. A complete done-for-you automated system, pre-built website, capture pages, all of it already built, proven email sequences already written and ready to go. You just personalize them for yourself. Step-by-step digital marketing training that I could actually follow at my own pace. I could pause it, rewind it, and watch it again because that was good for my 55-year-old brain. Sometimes I just need to watch it twice and maybe 3 times. Weekly live coaching calls, so I was never stuck or alone, and they're recorded so I could watch them whenever fit my life. A community of real people who are running the same type of business and learning. Multiple different digital products that I could start selling immediately for 100% profit. It taught me real skills, digital marketing automation, and how to build multiple income streams without needing to figure it all out on my own. And for someone who is definitely not techie, not techie at all, did not have any marketing background, and did not want to reinvent the wheel, this made everything possible. This is the side hustle that I recommend 100% of the time for beginners, because it gives you the foundation, the base that everything else gets built on top of. I have gone on and now created my own digital products, multiple different digital products. I have over 20 some different income streams that come in automatically because of what I learned from this program. Now, the funny thing is, while I was still working my 9-to-5, which I got started on this business while working my 9-to-5, so I was able to fit it around my life, which was great. But my employers are like, Wendy, you're learning all this digital marketing stuff. Can you apply that to our business? And I managed an entertainment farm. So I said, yeah, I probably could. And I did, and I increased their profitability by 30% because of learning digital marketing skills. 30%. That's huge. And they are a brick and mortar business, a location. This is the power of when you learn education, right? Like it can totally change your life. So there you have it. This is why I believe this is the easiest digital side hustle that I know, and the one that I would recommend to anyone over 50 who is ready to stop guessing and finally follow a real plan. You do not need a tech background, thank goodness. You do not need a fancy degree, and you're not too old and you're not too late. You know what you need. You need a starting point, a simple proven path that helps you to learn while you earn. That is exactly what I found, and that is what I want for you as well. So grab that Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. It breaks down the exact steps that I took to go from completely overwhelmed to over $123,000 in the last 80 days. If even one thing that I said today sparked something in you, don't just sit and watch this and walk away, my friend. That spark, that is something. Do not let it go cold. You were made for more, and your time is right now. So now that you know exactly why this works, then you're going to want to go watch this video right here next. It shows you how I use this exact system to make over $650,000 in my first year and retire myself at 55 years of age from that 9 to 5 that I was talking about. So when you pair that video with what I just showed you today, it's going to be so much more powerful. I'll see you in the next video, my friend.